Hello everyone, welcome back to our KCET Max Revision Marathon. Today we are seeing our second question, which is also from the set theory. In a certain town of 65% families own cell phones, 15,000 families own scooter, and 15% families own both. Taking into consideration that families own at least one of the two, total number of families in the town is. So this is a question. So this was asked in the year 2021. Okay, now we are going to solve it similar to our previous question. We are going to write a Venn diagram, and here they have given, to taking into consideration that families own at least one of the two, means there are no families that are that do not have any of these things. That is, there are no families that do not have, that neither has cell phone nor has a scooter. So if you are writing a Venn diagram, if you are writing a Venn diagram, then it means that there are two circles that we have. This is for cell phones and this is for scooters. We do not have any number outside these circles whenever they own at least one of the two is given. Now altogether it has to be 100%, right? 65% families own cell phone, 15,000 family own scooter, 15% families own both. So now 15,000 families own scooter. This both is 15%. Understand clearly. Both is 15% and cell phones is 65%. Since 15% is here, I have to write 50% here. So 50 plus 15 is 65% for cell phone. Now for the overall circle, since all the people are included in these circles, we have to, all this we have to add and it should be 100%. So 50% plus 15 is 65 plus 35% makes it 100. So cell phone category is 50 plus 15, which is 65%, and scooter category is 35 plus 15. So number of families owning scooter is 35% plus 15%, which is 50%. Okay, and they have given people owning scooter is 15,000, right? So this 50% is nothing but 50,000. So if 50% is 15,000, then 100% will be 30,000. This is the answer. Let me know if you are comfortable in English. If you want me to explain in Kannada, I will explain in Kannada with a mix of Kannada and English. But if you are comfortable with English, then we will continue all our sessions in English itself. Also, there is a link in the video description. Make sure you click on that link and join our WhatsApp group for all the important notes and updates. Also, do not forget to mention in the comment section which topic you would like to focus. So I will bring more questions from that topic. See you in the next video. Bye bye.